So today I want to talk to you for just a moment about a little bird that lives in North America. It's called the Clark's nutcracker. And what is outstanding about this little bird is its meticulous preparation for what we might say is its business of staying alive through winter. When it comes to its business of staying alive, this little bird doesn't just wing it. Each year, the little bird diligently gathers and buries up to 33,000 seeds, strategically stashing them in over 2,500 different locations. Its business plan, so to speak, ensures its survival through some of the coldest months. But here's the thing. While it may seem like just another bird going about its daily routine, it is in fact not leaving its fate to chance. It is taking proactive steps to secure its future. In essence, this bird isn't merely surviving, it's thriving because of its strategic planning and preparation. Now, if a bird can master the art of business survival, imagine what we humans can achieve when we use the same level of foresight. So let's take a cue from the little Clark's nutcracker. Let's plan, prepare, and ensure that our business not only survives, but thrives in any season.